On top inside Edo today, unto COVID-19, Edo First Lady don distribute relief material and hygiene kits give vulnerable Edo people. Wife of Edo State Governor Betsy Obaseki don comot fear for Edo people mind unto say dem dey fear as coronavirus cases dey increase for Edo. She tok say the number of the cases dey increase because say Edo State government dey test plenty people. Mrs. Obaseki tok dis one when she dey present some relief materials and hygiene kits give some vulnerable Edo people for the state. The things wey she distributes na face masks, hand washing buckets, bags of rice, beans, garri, onions and cartons of noodles. She tok say with the plenty testing wey dey shele for Edo State, COVID-19 cases must to dey increase, but say Edo State government get ogbonge plans to take make sure say e no spread. First Lady still tok say Edo State government don buy plenty testing machine and they don put plenty testing centers for the state. Plus say Edo State don get plenty PCR machine for testing and na only Lagos State na get the machine plenty like Edo State.
Testing was very difficult initially, but now we've acquired testing kits, testing machines, setting up testing centers, and getting the PCR machines to test. And we have we have more than any other state in the country apart from Lagos State. So there's a lot of testing going on now. So as testings are going on, you'll be hearing the numbers in Edo will be going up. It's not that Edo hasn't managed the situation well. It is just that Edo is just managing, is doing the right thing and managing properly by testing many people. You'll be seeing the numbers rise. It's a good thing because it's showing up those who have it so that they can be treated. And after a while, the curve will now begin to go down. So the only way for us to avoid being infected and increasing the numbers unduly is to adhere to the rules.
Edo First Lady don still receive more than 1,600 items from Archbishop of Church of God Mission International, Her Grace Most Reverend Benson Idahosa, and na leaders of Christian Women Fellowship International and I come present these items on behalf of the Archbishop. Spokesperson of the Christian Women, Reverend Idu Faustina, tok say dem don see how Edo State government take dey waka on top say dem no wan make coronavirus disease spread for the state, and na dis one I make dem talk say dem go put body on top the matter to provide care for women and children wey no dey fit live well. Dem donate 500 bottles of hand sanitizers, 500 face masks, 500 bottles of liquid soap and 100 buckets wey get tap.
We have observed with great admiration the effort of the Edo State government led by His Excellency Governor Godwin Obaseki and the support of the First Lady to curtail the spread of the dreaded pandemic COVID-19. As part of our mandate to provide care for women and children living in harsh conditions and also promote a healthy and safe environment for them, we wish to contribute our little quota in the fight against this pandemic by donating the following items: 500 bottles of hand sanitizers, 500 face masks, 500 bottles of liquid soap, 100 buckets with tap.
As Mrs. Obaseki dey receive the items, she tok say Archbishop of Church of God Mission na strong supporter of Edo State government and na ogbonge Christian leader wey dey put body on top the fight against COVID-19 pandemic.
That she's been in the forefront of mobilizing people in the church, Christians and also people in the states, in support of government initiatives in this whole management of the whole pandemic crisis. And she's been a strong supporter of not just the government, of society. I mean that she, as a leader in the community of Christians, he says her leadership has been exemplary and her support.
Now here we see this ogbonge informate reach on top inside Edo today. As Edo First Lady don distribute relief material and hygiene kits give vulnerable people wey dey for Edo State. Make una sabi say na Till Live Media na im dey carry this ogbonge informate come give una.